Hello, Serlin. Happy birthday. 18 years ka na ngayon. Sana masaya ka sa iyong birthday. Sayang, wala kami dyan. Amo, pagdating namin dyan, saka ka mag-birthday uli. Happy birthday. Love you, Serlin. Bye-bye. Si Daddy there. Happy birthday daw, Daddy. Daddy there.
Happy birthday, Sherlyn. Sana'y maging maligaya ang iyong karawan. Kahit na wala kami dyan, ay parang nariyan na rin kami. At sa feeling ng iyong magulang, Mama! Sana sila sa iyong mga kapatid at bigyan mo sila ng kasiyahan.
Lala!
Ligayang bati sa iyong karawan, Sherlyn.
Happy birthday, Sherlyn.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Sherlyn. Happy birthday. Antayin ka ulit namin sa pagbalik mo rito sa Philippines. Utang muna, ha? Pagbalik mo na lang dito. Happy birthday.
Hi, Sherlyn. Happy birthday. 18 years old ka na. Sana be a good girl. Mamahalin mo pa ang daddy mami mo. Tutulungan mo sila sa mga gawain sa bahay. Dalaga ka na, hindi ka na bata. Okay, happy birthday.
Give me money. money. How many dollars do you want? Sherlyn.
Hey, Sherlyn, happy birthday.
Isel, say hi to Ate Sherlyn. Sherlyn, happy birthday. Ibo na. Hindi ba ako invited? Ha? Bakit? Dito kami ngayon. Kasama mo rin. Be a good girl, ha? 18 ka na. At huwag mo nang mag-boyfriend. Ha? Kasabay ka pa sa dibo ni Jean Rose. Okay? Ha? Swerte ka. Meron kang mami at daddy. Pinagdibo ka. Ha? Kaya love mo si mami tsaka si daddy, ha? Huwag mo na mag-aasawa. Punta pa ako dyan. Ha? Kasama natin si Jean Rose at si Tita Joy.
Hi, Sherlyn. Happy birthday. Bibo mo na and wishing you the best in everything. Happy birthday.
Jean Rose. Jean Rose.
Happy birthday, Ate Sherlyn. Wish you all the best lang. Hello.
Ano pa sasabihin? Si Lisel. Lisel, say hi. Hi to ate. Say hi. Ate Sherlyn. Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye ka mo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Sherlyn.
Ni hao. Hi to everybody from the beautiful city of Shanghai, China. Happy birthday, Cheryl. I hope you're having a good time there. 18 ka na. Sana you will be more responsible sa mga decisions mo. Be mature. At saka be open to your mom. Okay? Be a good girl. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cheryl. Sana nag-enjoy kayo lahat dyan. I hope you have many more birthdays to come.
Okay, can you say happy birthday to ate? Say happy birthday, ate! There. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Shen Shen.
Okay, we're going to sing happy birthday, okay? Can you sing happy birthday? Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Sherlyn. Yeah, happy birthday, Ate Sherlyn.